Introducing a simple GUI calculator built with HTML, CSS, and JavaScript. Let's start by looking at the HTML structure. The HTML file contains the basic structure of the calculator interface. We have a container div, an input field to display the result. Next, let's take a look at the CSS styles. The CSS file defines the visual appearance of the calculator. We have defined the background image, container size, button styles, and more. Finally, let's explore the JavaScript functions. The JavaScript code provides the functionality for the calculator. We have functions to append numbers, operators, and a decimal point to the input field. With these HTML, CSS, and JavaScript components, the calculator is ready to use. That's all for our demonstration of the HTML, CSS, and JavaScript calculator. Thank you for watching.